Okay, so here we have a quick example of the leave application procedure robot that I was talking about in my blog post. The basic idea is that when a new staff member actually starts up with the company, he'll automatically be added into the leave application procedure wave, so he'll automatically see it in his desktop when he logs in. So he comes along and he clicks on the application procedure, it loads up, and it gives him all the information as to how the leave application procedure works, and also gives him the ability to install the extension to Google Wave in order to be able to create these forms. So it's got all the text down here, as you can see it. One of the nice things about this is if HR decide that they need to change the policy, because they'd be editing it in place inside the Google Wave, it would automatically come back into everybody's inboxes once it had been finalised and pushed out to everybody. So let's say I'm a new staff member, I'll come along, I'll install that entry, and then up here in the new Wave box you'll actually see the ability for me to be able to create a new leave form. So when I say I want to create a new one, it creates me a new Wave up here, and then the bot automatically gets added in. That's the bot there, and it automatically fills in the form for me. So let's say I was going to be taking some sick leave. I come in and click here. I'll put some description as to what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm happy with that now. I click done. If I wanted to, bring some additional people into the Wave, I could do that now by adding some additional people in here or something like that. But let's say I just wanted to take the normal flow of information here. So I click on the submit button. The bot picks up that submit. As you can see down here, it's detected that I've clicked on the submit button. It's also worked out that Tom Lim is my supervisor, and it's automatically added him to the Wave, so he's up here now. Once he's done that, Tom would actually come in and he would either approve, reject, or carry on a conversation with me, and so on and so forth. For the purposes of the demonstration that I've actually got here, I'll just take myself through the workflow myself. So let's say Tom approves it. One thing you'll actually notice is the bot's also changing the title of the flow up here as well. So it's very easy for an administrator or for somebody that wanted to create a filter to be able to see which leave forms are approved, which ones are in a new state, which ones are being withdrawn, all that side of things. We could also do this with tags, but I just haven't gotten around to doing that yet. And obviously at the end you could make it go processed as well. Now the bot would be able to pick up the fact that it had been told to process, and it could go and do things like update calendars with the person's leaves, put hooks back into the HR system to automatically debit his account, all those sort of things. And that's the basic idea.